Hello and welcome to tonight's STEAM activity. Tonight we're going to make Oobleck. Now, how many of you have read the book Bartholomew and the Oobleck? Today I want to just go over one passage with you. So these are the magicians from the book. This is the magic spell that they sing to make the Oobleck fall from the sky. Oh, snow and rain are not enough. Oh, we must make some brand new stuff. So feed the fire with wet mouse hair. Burn an onion, burn a chair, burn a whisker from your chin, and burn a long sour lizard skin. Burn yellow twigs and burn red rust, and burn a stocking full of dust. Make magic smoke, green, thick, and hot. It smells dreadful, does it not? That means the smoke is now just right. So quick, before the day gets light, go magic smoke, go high, go rise into the kingdom sky. Go make the Oobleck tumble down on every street in every town. Go make the wondrous Oobleck fall. Oh, bring down Oobleck on us all. And that is the Oobleck we're going to make today. So, now many of you guys may have made Oobleck before. Well, what we want to do is, after we make the Oobleck, test it. So we're going to use this sheet and test it to see. We're just going to do the paper clip and the toothpick today to test and see if we think it'll float or sink, and the results from that. And you can pick up this sheet from the youth services desk over at the main library, okay? And you can do this experiment yourself. So here I have 1 cup of water. I'm going to add to it 2 cups of just regular cornstarch. Okay. Let's see how this goes. If you do this at home, make sure that you do it somewhere that you can clean up easy, like the kitchen. Oh, it's very hard to stir. And you know what happens when things are very hard to stir with a spoon? That means you have to get in there with your hands. So, what we're going to do is hands and can you guys see this stuff? This is our Oobleck. So, but it's not all mixed yet. Still a lot of water in here. So now we had to add more cornstarch to the mix, but I did not have a full 2 cup. So make sure that you have a full 2-to-1 ratio. Now what that means is if you do a half cup of water, make sure you have a full cup of cornstarch, okay? Okay, so my hand is just covered in liquid now. Oh, so what this is, it's called a non-Newtonian fluid. So if you go slowly with it, then it's a liquid, okay? And if you go fast with it, say if you punch it, you stop. It stops you. You'll go a little bit below the surface, but not all the way down. Okay, so now on to our experiment. So first, let's do our paper clip. Now, do we think the paper clip is going to float or sink into our Oobleck? I'm thinking that it is going to sink. So I'm going to place it into the Oobleck. It's sunk right down. Could y'all even see that? Now how about the toothpick? See, let me just drop it. It floats. Okay, so the paper clip sunk immediately, but the toothpick floats. So at home, when you tried this experiment, in a very easy to clean place, make sure that you talk about why those two things had such different results. And maybe have some fun. Just thank you for joining us for our STEAM night this week, and join us again next week for another fun activity. Goodbye.